Here's how to create your own irresistible offer. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to define your client's outcome. What does your customer really want? What's the goal? Do they want to lose 10 pounds? Do they want to get more leads? Like, what is the outcome that they're looking to get? So figure out what their biggest goal or desire is, and then make sure that your offer is helping them achieve that goal. So great, now we know what our client's dream outcome is. The next thing you need to do is you need to build trust in your result. So ask yourself, how can I show them that this will work? So you do this by having testimonials, case studies, or proof. Like, look at this client, I helped them lose 10 pounds. Or if you're doing lead generation, look, I got this customer X amount of leads. Or if you're providing a service, look, this is the service the client wanted and this is what they got. So you're showing people examples of, your service so they have more trust in your service. So then after that, you're going to reduce the time it takes to get the result. So how can you help them get the results faster? So lose 5 pounds in 7 days or get 100 leads in just 30 days. So you want to cut the unnecessary steps and offer shortcuts. Make it clear so that they don't have to wait long to get the result they're looking for. Number 4 is make it easy. So how can you make this process as simple as possible? By providing templates, or just anything that gives them clear instruction on what to do and how to obtain the result that they're looking to get, right? So you can do for example, a how to cook book on gourmet meals. So you show them how to do it. It's step by step. So you can either show them through a school community or you could do it yourself. Now, step 5 is you add bonuses to the offer. So what else can you include? So for example, if you're helping them lose weight, do you give them guides? Do you go grocery shopping with them? Do you give them one-on-one consulting? So you want to start to stack bonuses on top of your actual offer. So, add things that you can add to make your offer more strong or more valuable. The next thing you want to do is you want to offer a strong guarantee, right? So lose 10 pounds in 30 days or your money back. Get 100 leads or your money back, or we don't stop working with you until we do. So that way they have more trust and confidence in your offer because they know that they're going to get a good result from it. So, ask, what if they're worried about trying this? How can you make it risk-free for them? So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to add a sense of urgency. So you can only work with 10 clients a month, or make it time sensitive, or that there's only a certain amount that you can actually take on or sell at the time. So it gives the customer more urgency for them to take action. Then the next step is price it as a no-brainer offer. So how can you make it feel like it's a steal? So if you're selling something for $100, how can you make it worth $1,000, right? And if you're selling something for $1,000, how can you make it be worth $10,000? So ask yourself, how can you make it just feel like they're getting just a great deal from this so much things that you're providing the customer? So once you've priced it as a no-brainer offer, you're going to give it an exciting name. So something that makes it feel special, right? So if you're doing the lead generation, you can call it the 30-day business growth blueprint. So it's just something so that they can get behind the name that sounds catchy that the customers are going to like. So then the last step is to pretty much over-deliver. How can you make sure that you provide as much value as you can so you can then get referrals and then continue to grow and scale your business? So these are the 10 steps on how you can create an irresistible offer.